This exercise will help improve your understanding of gradients and how to use them in your next drawing. First, draw a circle in the middle of your page. A good way to create a near-perfect circle is to slowly move your pencil in a circular motion while changing directions. After you have completed your circle, add an oval-shaped highlight at the top. Then add an elongated oval shape for your shadow in the back and lightly shade it in. When adding your gradient to the circle, it needs to move from darkest near the edges to lightest near and around the highlight. Leave a small highlighted edge near the rim. You can use a smudging stick or other shading techniques to make the transition between light and dark tones smooth in your drawing. For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboredbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!